Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am actually going to be vlogging a week in my natural hair routine. Some of you, actually one of you, requested this video, so I decided to give it a try. But before we get into the video, if you're seeing me for the first time, girl, where have you been? This is Natural Blanket. My name is Noye and I post natural hair videos, sometimes lifestyle, you know. So go ahead and click on that subscribe button, tap on the notification bell beside it so you join the family. Let's get right into it.
Because it's natural and we just wear it like this. Physical appearance is beautiful.
I'm ready to change my life. I will not do that. Next. I will also not be doing that. No.
I'm going to go ahead and put my hair in a low bun without gel. If you want to see how I make this possible, I suggest you click on the video in the description box because I have a full tutorial on that. I'm not going to insert it into this video because it's going to be overly long. So if you're really interested in knowing how I achieved that, I suggest you watch that video after this one, of course.
Hi guys, so it's currently Friday. I just came in here to update you guys. It's so very noisy about my hair. So on my no gel low bond, is still holding up fine, I believe so. I've been sleeping my satin scarf, and that's the only thing I've been doing. And I've also been applying this at night after washing off my edges. So I'm going out to go visit my best friend. My hair has started itching because it's time for me to wash, and this is usually the time I use my herbal tea spray to clean my scalp and then apply this oil because it really helps me with itching. But I'm not going to be able to do that because I'm late. So for a mini travel, I'm just going to be packing my edge control, my edge brush, and this hair growth oil. So I'm going to put it on my edges at night before I go to bed. I'm not going to put it on my scalp because my scalp is oily and greasy, and I should not be adding extra oil to it. So I just wanted to update you guys. So when I come back from her house on Sunday or Saturday, then I'll be able to cleanse my scalp and change the hairstyle, or maybe do the same hairstyle. I don't know. Hi guys, so I wanted to check in and do this update for you guys because I'm still at my friend's place. I'm not using any scarf on my hair this night because yesterday the scarf really disappointed me and I woke up with it on the pillow. So I was lucky. At least I'm very sure this is not going to slip off my hair because it's a very big bonnet. So I've not really been doing anything to my hair because I helped my friends install really cute passion tees, and I'm kind of weak. I just left off yesterday night. So today I'm just going to see some Netflix movies and still go to bed. So this is how my hair looks. My bow is completely gone. So guys, I think we did it. Even though the week was not so, I didn't do much to my hair. This is how I typically leave my hair. I love to leave my hair alone, and it has helped me out a lot in retaining length. So if you guys want to continue this series, if you want me to continue posting a week in my life kind of vlog, what I do to my hair on a daily basis apart from wash day routines, moisturizing routines, and the rest that I post on this channel, just let me know in the comments below and we'll make this a playlist. Anyways, today is Wednesday and I want to take my hair down. Honestly, I'm supposed to wash my hair. My hair is overdue wash day, but I can't wash my hair because I have few contents to post, and if I wash my hair, I'm obviously going to put it in a protective style or something like that. So I'm just going to take down this hairstyle right now and try to film a video with my hair. Don't say anything, that's what I'm gonna do. Well, my scalp is just kind of greasy. I'm just going to try to find a way to clean it up. Then I'll moisturize my scalp. My hair is clean, I didn't put anything on it, obviously. I will moisturize my hair lightly, then I'm going to film the video and probably show you guys the clips of it. Then we are going to conclude this vlog.
for its medicinal properties, which is an effective help to treat hair loss. Due to its antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties, it is also excellent to treat dandruff. It also helps the hair follicles become stronger, which encourages hair growth. While the vitamin C in guava leaves boosts collagen activity and hair growth, the vitamin B also helps to build up hair strands and straighten the scalp, which is also very essential for hair growth. The last we're going to be adding is lemongrass, which is also known to straighten the hair follicles, which fights hair loss. It has a rich source of iron, which helps in treating conditions such as anemia. With that said, the combination of these three herbs are going to help keep my scalp health in check. I'm just going to use the cotton pad, spray the mixture onto the pad and rub it in circular motions all over my scalp 2 times till I'm done.
Calm, like I love the way it feels. So in total I used 6 of these on my hair and all of them came out dirty, meaning I should really wash my hair, but I don't have time. This is gonna serve me for the next few days before I wash my hair. So I just wanted to show you guys what I'm doing here. My hair is very dirty, so I'm just using this Scissors Empire leave-in conditioner. Just put a little on my hand like this, then put it on my hair, the praying hand method. I'm just going to be putting only leave-in conditioner on my hair because my hair is very dirty. I don't want to cause any more products build up. I'm just working it in because I have low porosity hair, so you have to work your products in. Just putting small on my ends. back again into a low bun. So guys, you are looking for the style that I was talking about. This is the style that I am talking about. I'm still going to create content, but if I was not going to create content, this is how I'm going to wear my hair, or I'll just make it into another low bun and then I'll wear it like that. My hair is always boring, but it looks very beautiful to me and I love it. Now let's go and create that content.
So this is the final result. I look so cute, whatever. Anyway guys, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.